is my 6th day of bear hunting. It is Friday, September 15th. Feeling pretty discouraged. There hasn't been a bear at this spot in 19 days. Gonna sit somewhere else tomorrow, but thought I'd give it one last try. Oh my god, I just shot a bear. I can still hear him. Oh my god. I just shot my first bear. I'm freaking out. For all of you guys that are out there and you just want to give up, the spot I'm sitting tonight hasn't had a bear on it in 19 days. And I've just been sitting out here, and honestly, I've had such an effed attitude, like, F this. No bear's ever coming in. This is pointless. Why am I even out here? I was gonna get down from the stand 20 minutes early just because I'm like, nothing's ever gonna come in here, you know, and I'm so glad I didn't. And I just want to say, like, thank you to God, because God is the one that provided. You know, I said a prayer. I've just been really discouraged. And, you know, I said, God, I've given up. I've hunted so many days, or it's felt like I've hunted so many days already. And, you know, my husband goes and gets a bear on his second sit, and here I am on my 6th night and haven't seen anything, and just feeling super discouraged. And God pulled through again. You know, he is so good. I'm just so excited that he's blessed me with this bear. And I mean, I haven't found it yet, but I just needed to make this quick video. You know, I still haven't gotten down from my stand, but God's good, and hunting is a blessing. It's pretty darn cool.